Hey there, welcome to O Slots. I'm about to do some plowing. My name's Roland, my wife's name is Beth, and we have a snowstorm going on right now here in Canada. And Beth said to me, let's get all our work out of the way because tonight with this snowstorm, it's supposed to get worse at around 6 p.m. Be a good night to have a hot coffee, maybe some cookies, and do a little bit of Chumba Casino. Stay all nice and cozy by the laptop. Hey everyone, welcome to O Slots. Beth and Roland here. We received 215 sweep coins from our sweepstakes letters. We received them early this morning, like 4 o'clock in the morning. So we're excited. We're going to play some, it's called the Tsai, I overpronounce it, Tsai Shen. It's 10K ways. I looked it up on Google how to pronounce that first name. And anyways, a lot of people say Tsai, but it's Tsai. Trying to get the T in there. Too much information. Anyways, we're going to play this game. We're going to be playing at 20 cents because it's our Chumba letters. And we heard that's what you should play at 20, those letters at 20 cents. Really know why. I guess it's to get the most out of your sweep coins, get the most spins. If anybody knows, leave a comment below this video to let me know or let us know what you know about this. Anyways, just a definitive answer. So anyways, we're going to be playing this game, and she's the trigger woman. So we're going to get going here, and we'll probably show you not the whole thing because we got 215 coins to convert, but we'll show you the highlights. We may even switch games. We've never done that before in the middle of sweep coins. So go ahead, Beth. Light up the money tree.
I hope so.
So those white things there with the money on them, those are scatters. We need 6 of those, 6 or more of those to trigger the spins, I believe. And then you'll see those gold coins in there as well. I think we need 6 or more of those to get 100 times bonus or whatever you're going. Oh, that looks good. I don't know what happened there, but that looked good. Big win.
$5.76.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's a good start. Nothing wrong with that.
So,
So this is only our 3rd time playing with sweep coins from our letters. So we're really enjoying this, and I will be putting a video out tomorrow or the next day more about letters, because I know that there's a lot of people that want to learn about the sweeps letters and how to write them, that sort of thing. I already did one video, but I'm going to get into some other answering questions. If anybody has questions about this, let us know down below in the description of this video or any of our videos, and let us ask questions, and hopefully I can answer them for you on video. Two more of them, those white things. I don't even know what they are. Eggs? No, they're not eggs, but scatters. Also, we have a new camera here. Just bought it today from Amazon. It showed up, and it's a nice webcam. So I've never had a nice webcam on my laptop before. And well, there we go. One more. Aw, we need those spins. But yeah, I've never had a nice webcam before, so it's much clearer than the one that was on here. That's for sure. And it also has a built-in mic, and we're trying the mic tonight. I usually have another mic on its own, a good mic. I'll show you. have one of these mics here, but we only have one USB port on the laptop, so the webcam is in plugged into it, and I thought that was going to be good. So, like I said, there's a mic on the webcam, so why not just try it?
The money keeps on falling.
What, you mean our balance?
Oh no, the coins.
Oh,
Sorry, the coins keep on falling to the side.
yeah. Yeah, the coins, they fall to the side on this game, and then something happens. Oh, I know what it is. You get a whole screen full of these coins, gold coins, and you pick the coins. You gotta pick 3 matching coins, and then you get a prize. Our dog Ellie's here with us too. She's a 10-year-old puggle, and he's either snoring or making noise while we're doing this. And you might not hear. Oh, look at that! Nothing's happened. There's 7 of them. So right now she's down by our feet, staring at us. I think she wants me to throw her on the bed. Here it goes. Here it goes. Fortune bonus. Let's hope this one pays well.
Oof.
Oh no. Oh, wouldn't that be something? But you know darn well it's going to be the mini. Ellie hates when we say the mini. Ellie wants a 10K bonus times 10,000, whatever that means. Come on, Beth, stay away from that mini. Oh, there. I'll take a minor. You sure?
No,
You sure?
no.
Oh, come on. Give us the grand at least. Yeah, I'd go for that one. Oh. Man. You are so close. This is getting... You gotta be careful now.
Careful. Careful before.
Oh. My gosh. I thought we had 3 of those. Wouldn't that be something? Oh, that gives
So
you
we got 2 minor,
2 of everything, I
2
think.
major,
Yeah.
2 of those, 2 minis, and
So this is your final pick.
Mm.
This is what it's going to tell you what you're going to get. A 10K bonus. I know it. Oof. Oh,
There you go.
$2? We waited all night for $2? I think we're gonna switch to another game. This is crap. Let's switch. Let's go.
Not much happening. Just want to give us any money.
Look at that. That's probably the lowest paid one. $1.40. Well, that's better than 2 cents. Why doesn't that pay? You gotta get 5 across. Higher. That would be good. Now we're talking. That's a good one. super win.
Keep on coming.
Whoppa.
Mhm.
We needed that.
Yeah, good stuff. Yeah.
Six. Good one. I don't know what good ones are. That works. Oh. Wow. Now we're talking. So we moved around a few games, just to update you what we've done. We started playing Tsai Shen, and then we went to Cheers, and now we're here on Mystery Reels, and we're getting some action. It's starting to pay, which is good. It seemed a little boring at first, but now it's starting to get more exciting. Winning's always exciting. But I like how the square comes up with a question mark, and you get a certain amount of wilds, and it picks them. Don't really know the rules of this game yet, but I know that in mowers, this, you get lots of those. In mowers, you go up top with a bonus wheel. Come on. Oh. You get the wheel bonus anyway. Look at this. This is fun. It's like Studio 54. Okay, what do we want? That looks good. 8 times. This has paid out the best so far. That's a lot of action.
Mhm.
Yes, stay on the 7s. It won't come back though. Lemons.
Good in here.
No? That's a whole buck. Here we go again. Really giving us the cherries tonight. Bells.
The cherries were good.
Bells. Twice? Did the bells show up twice?
Didn't even see the bell.
See, that new bells were pretty good. 2:30.